Welcome to Flow and Flourish. If someone had told me 5 years ago that I'd be designing clothes, without a degree, without a big label behind me, I would have laughed. Because back then, I didn't even know how to thread a needle properly. But here's the truth no one tells you. You don't always need a fashion degree to design fashion. You need vision, consistency, and a whole lot of self-belief. I started small. Like, really small. My first design? It was a thrifted kurti I cut up and stitched back into a top, with a borrowed sewing machine and zero clue what I was doing. Was it perfect? No. But wearing something I made? That feeling was unmatched. I began learning on YouTube. Stitching tutorials. Draping basics. Watching how designers layered fabric. I'd pause, rewind, practice. Over and over. Pinterest became my second home. I'd study silhouettes, color theory, construction, and then replicate them with leftover fabric from local markets. When I made my first sale, a custom piece for a friend's engagement, I cried. Not because I made money, but because someone trusted me to bring their vision to life. Over time, I learned what schools usually teach, just through doing. Pattern making, sizing, styling, creating mood boards. I even faced people saying, "But you're not a real designer, right?" That one stung. But let me say this, if you're dreaming, creating, testing, failing, and showing up again, you are a real designer. Whether you're a student on a budget, a mom sewing during nap time, or someone just tired of waiting for permission, you can do this. You don't need perfect gear. I started with 200 rupees worth of thread and scrap fabric. Are you a self-taught creative too? What's your dream project? Let's support each other on the way up. Because passion has no dress code, and talent doesn't need a title. You just need to begin. You just need to begin. If this story hit home for you, like this video, subscribe to Flow and Flourish, and tell me in the comments.